God, it is a gorgeous day today. See those yellow trees? Well, that means spring has officially sprung, and it is time to put down the first step of fertilizer on the lawn. Yeah! The thing I like best about New Jersey, and there aren't that many things that I like about New Jersey, but the thing I like best is having 4 seasons, and they're all about the same distance apart. But having winter makes you appreciate days like today, makes you appreciate spring. And by the time the summer is really hot and you've had enough of it, fall kicks in and starts cooling down. I do like that, I must say. But other than that, yeah, there's not much to like about New Jersey. All right, it is spring, and I am so excited to actually get started. So if you remember, 2 years ago, I had a really crap lawn. I had a bad time in the summertime, and the lawn was killed, basically. And I hired a professional to come, and they did aeration, they did seeding, they did slit seeding, I should say, and they fertilized, and they got it all back to good. My lawn looks okay. I mean, it's March 31st. And so what are we, 10 days into spring? It looks okay, not bad. I guess it's pretty much what you'd expect this time of year. So after spending $1,100 on my lawn care last year, I decided that I was changing my ways this year. I actually had a change of heart, and I said, you know what, I'm taking back my lawn. I'm gonna go back to DIY, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. Just like you guys watch YouTube, I watch YouTube too. And there's so many channels out there that are specialized. And there are guys like, I follow Star Tile, he's a guy that just works on tile. And then I follow some woodworkers. But I also have, my latest obsession is this guy called the Lawn Care Nut. He is awesome.
What's up, y'all? I'm Allyn Hane, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for coming back for yet another week.
You're gonna have to check out his channel. But that's all he focuses on, is lawn care, which is great. Today, I am going to be putting down step 1 of the lawn care program. And this is the program that I bought from the Lawn Care Nut. It is a cool season program. He has 2 programs, one for cool season and one for warm season. It costs $25. I bought it. I learned a lot from it, and I'm going to be using that this year, and I'm going to let you follow along and see how I'm doing. Now you can see one of the biggest complaints that I had about having the professionals is they didn't get rid of all my weeds. And even last year, after they seeded in 2016, well, this time of last year, it was like awful. And they said, oh, that's normal when you seed. I said, well, I've seeded before, and I don't remember it being that bad. But maybe it was because of the slit seeder. So my lawn is a mix of Kentucky bluegrass and ryegrass. And it's typical for a northern lawn. And of course, I made a little bit of a boo-boo by leaving the canopy on this gazebo. It was rusting anyway, and I should have taken it off. But anyway, like I said, we had 3 nor'easters, and one of them just did it in. Heavy snow and kaput. So the first question is, how do you know when it's time to put down step 1? Well, there's 2 ways that I use anyway. The first is the forsythias are in bloom. And the second way is I see the landscapers out doing the fertilizer for the lawns that they're doing maintenance contracts on. So I got some cleanup to do here, because we had 3 nor'easters come through in the past month. So we're going to do a little raking, we're going to collect some sticks, and then I'm going to throw down some fertilizer and some pre-emergent. Let's get to it. This is the Earthway 2050P spreader. Brand new, just got it at Becker Hardware. And the reason why I got it, I had a spreader. It was recommended by Allyn Hane, the lawn care nut, because of this side spread control. It has a little switch here that enables you to cut the edges and just not get your material all over the place and waste it. My old one didn't have that, so I was wasting a lot of material. Pretty big hopper. It's supposed to hold 50 pounds, and it features pneumatic tires, which are good because I've got a lot of bumps in my lawn. So this is everything I have to put down, according to step 1 of the Cool Season program. Alright, let's talk about what we got here. So this is the starter fertilizer. This is Lesco, and it's an 18-24-12, and that's 18 nitrogen, that's P is phosphate, and K is 12. That's NPK, that's what it stands for. So my entire time being a homeowner, 20 years in this house and 10 years in the previous house, I never knew how to measure all of the ingredients and make sure I was putting down the right amount. I would just buy whatever brand from the Home Depot or the Lowe's, and I would put down, if it said it was good for 15,000 square feet, I would put it out here. And now I've got about 14,000 square feet. I never knew what those numbers meant. And I just winged it every year, so I got what I got. All right, so back to the analysis. So that's 18N, 24P, and 12K. That says it covers 12,000 square feet. I'm actually going to put down half an application of this. According to what Allyn Hane says, that is too much phosphate for my yard. So I'm not going to do that at this time. I'll save half the bag and use it again in the fall. And then I'm going to put down his old friend, Milorganite. He really recommends this stuff. It is organic, and I see a lot of guys online talking about it. A bag is 36 pounds. It covers 2,500 square feet, and it is a 540 analysis. Okay, it's time for a little bit of math here so you understand how I came to know how many bags to put down. So the early spring program says I need 1/3 to 1/2 pound of P per 1,000 square feet. So 1/3 of a pound of P for my lawn, which is 14,000 square feet, so it's 14 times 1/3, that comes out to 5 pounds. 1/2 times 14,000 comes out to 7 pounds. So I need between 5 and 7 pounds for my lawn. So my 50-pound bag of Lesco starter fertilizer has 24% P. So you take the total weight of the bag, which is 50 pounds, times 24%, 0.24, and that comes out to 12 pounds P in the whole bag. Well, I want between 5 and 7, so that's too much. So I only want to use half the bag at this time. So for nitrogen, the program says the target is 1/2 to 3/4 of a pound per 1,000 square feet. So again, do the math for my yard, and my target is 7 to 10.5 pounds for my lawn. So doing the same math, I take half the bag of starter fertilizer, which is 25 pounds, and multiply it by 18%, and that comes out with 4.5 pounds of nitrogen just from that half bag of starter fertilizer. I need 7 to 10.5 pounds N, and each bag of Milorganite has 1.8 pounds. So that's why I need to put down 3 bags to achieve the proper rate. That's it. Now, the one other good thing that's good about this is that it is iron rich. And you see that there. Iron rich. That turns your lawn a nice blue-green, supposedly. So it's the first time using it, so I'm going to give it a try. And it's the first time I'm using this mic, too, so hopefully the wind is not causing a problem because I do have a dead cat on it. Now, this is my crabgrass preventer. This is prodiamine. This is a pre-emergent crabgrass preventer. So hopefully you can see that there. And this is 007
The name's Bond. James Bond.
So, half an application of that. I'm going to put these 3 bags of Milorganite, and then I'm going to put that out as well.
3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half a measure of Kina Lily. Shake it over ice, and then add a thin slice of lemon peel.
Yes, sir.
And we should be good to go. I'm going to give my new spreader a try. Now, because it's a new spreader, I'm going to start with the Milorganite, just to get the feel of it and see how fast it puts out product, because Milorganite is organic and will not burn your lawn.
Throw her down. Let's hope for the best.
Now I'm gonna open this up pretty far because this stuff goes down heavy. I'm gonna start with an edge pass. I have my little switch flipped, so I'm doing the edge, and I ride right along and do an edge pass around the whole yard. So the first bag is empty, and I only got about half the lawn done. So I've been putting it down too heavy, obviously. So I backed it off to, I'm at about 17 or 18 now. Again, I don't know what the right, I gotta play with it. So that's the reason why I'm using the Milorganite now, because it's kind of like lime. It's not gonna hurt anything. You can't burn your lawn with it.
Throw her down. Let's hope for the best.
The other thing I noticed is when I was doing the edge, the little switch wasn't really clicked in all the way, so it wound up moving out and letting product out of all 3 holes, which probably wasted even more product. On to bag number 2. All right, this is the other half bag from the back, and I'm gonna flip the switch again and do the edge pass in the front. Make sure it's clicked all the way. All right, time for bag number 3. I got a good amount done in the front, but I will have to do the big yard, the big part of it, with the other bag. And I'm writing down my settings so that next time I do this with 3 bags of Milorganite, I'll know what setting to use. Alright, Milorganite done. Whew. Allyn says to put some ass in it when you're walking. That's what I was doing.
Day 3.
Yeah, I fertilized 3 days ago, and New Jersey throws another little bit of a snowstorm at us. It's typical, but it's all good. My fertilizer's soaking into the ground right now. Can you see my fertilizer under there? That's where it is. That's what I did on Saturday. And here it is Monday, and it's all covered. But that's okay. It's all gonna get watered in this afternoon when the sun comes out. Visit my website, HandyDadTV, for more great ideas and information. Be sure to subscribe to be the first to know when new videos are posted.